Hi there, today I have a few items from SHEIN and I'm gonna show you. These ones are full-size puffers because I usually use the smaller ones, but they are a little bit hard to hold on the hand sometimes when I'm buffing the nail tips. So I wanted to try the full size and they look good. I got some stickers in black and white. I want to get some nails with black and white stars. That's why I wanted to try some stickers and see how it goes. Here's some white ones and here are the black ones. That's not too bad. I hope they're easy to peel because some of these stickers are not very easy to peel, and when you peel them they break fast. I'm just gonna place them directly into my sticker book, and I just need to find some space here. Okay, here is good. There we go. Next I got this cute, like a semicircle. I have some already, but I wanted to get some in gold because the ones I have are in silver. These ones are really nice to use, and they have a flat back, so it's easier to apply on the nail. I got some of these flowers. Some of my designs that I have already on my Etsy website have these flowers. I'm gonna be needing these for future orders. So these ones are loose. I'm gonna have to find a container to place them. I got some more of these stars. I love these stickers, are so good, and it's so easy and fast just to make a cute design. So these ones are gold, silver, black. These are like it changed color, nice. This is like a darker gold, and this one is multicolor, very nice. I didn't know that I purchased multiple colors, but I'm happy about it. So these ones are gonna go into my sticker book. I have to organize the sticker book better. It's all over the map now. These are a little bit more of the plastic flowers. This one a mix with pink, and it has the little caviar beads that go in the center if you want to apply the little flowers that way. And here are more stickers. These ones are butterfly stickers. I did some nails that I have on Etsy with the last butterflies I had, and I wanted to have some more butterflies. Let's see how these ones look. Okay, it's only one sheet. Oh, okay. But look how cute these ones are. They're very nice. They feel like texture. I have more stickers, butterfly stickers. Not bad. So little, so I just ordered more in a second order that I did from SHEIN, but it's okay. I'm gonna add these ones to my other box. So if you purchase this, they usually come with this tool to grab your little sponge, and it's to, you know, create ombres or whatever you like. It will help you with your nail art. So let me just put this ones in here. Just like to keep this inside the sponges so I don't lose it. That's that. Then I got some more of these stickers. These stickers are for the nail stands. Let me show you. So it's to place it on the nail stands so you can place your nails and nothing will move out of place. These ones are toenails. Let me see how these nails look and feel. Okay, so you get a few sets over here. For this, I'm not gonna be doing custom sizing. I'm just gonna do like the whole thing like this and sell it. So they don't feel too bad. They feel flexible. They're very thin around the cuticle area, which I like. And already come with a Frenchie. And I have, in this box, we have 5 strips. That's not bad. This is just to give it a try and see what happens. I got this brand as well. I wanted to try this brand for nail tips just because the pre-nails, they are sometimes they are inconsistent with the size and shape, and they are very pricey. So for the price you pay for the press nail, you just expect more quality, right, and consistency, but they are not consistent. And so I wanted to try a cheaper brand. I want to make some sets, like 20-piece sets. Basically, I'm gonna be making some pre-made sets and posting on Etsy. For the pre-made sets, I'm probably gonna go with a more simple design, not too complicated, because I'm gonna be making 20 nails. So let's see how these ones are. Oh, they're super thin in the cuticle area. That's not bad. That's actually good. More sturdy on the front. I really like these nails. They remind me a lot of the Una Gela brand, which is not bad. I like them. And they go front. Let me see. This is 0 all the way to, let me see which one is the tiniest one. What size is that? 14? Oh, okay, that's not bad. So 0 to 14. And I seen this brand on Amazon as well, but for some reason it's cheaper on SHEIN. I got more of these packaging boxes for the press-ons. I know there are cheaper options out there, but I do like these boxes. The only thing with these boxes is that they scratch very easy, so I keep the protective film until I'm ready to ship the nails to their owner, right, to the buyer. So I just prefer to keep it. As you can see, there's already like a scratch here. Oh. Okay, right now I have a few of these, and let me refill my little drawer. Maybe they fit better like this. Let me see. Okay, put it like this. I have ordered more in a second order I placed on SHEIN, because I thought that I never would finish the ones I had because I have so many. But then I start getting sales on Etsy and they will go fast. So now I just want to be prepared. And I have as well this brand I have used before for white gel polish, and it's one coat give me a good coverage. That's why I purchased it again, and it's very affordable. So yeah, for Frenchies it's perfect. And you can buy the same brand on Amazon. I seen it again. It's cheaper on SHEIN. Not sure why. Maybe it costs more to sell on Amazon and people increase their prices. It's pure white and I really like it. And I have a nude gel polish from Sexai or Seijai. I can't pronounce that. Zeijaji? Not sure. Anyways, I saw somebody on TikTok with this color. It's a nude, and to find a perfect nude is so difficult for me. So I saw it on their nails and it looks good. So right now it looks like this, so I can't wait to try it on nails and see what happens. So let's see maybe closer. That's how it looks. It looks nice. I'm gonna be testing that soon, probably today. I'm gonna work on the toenails. I'm going to start with primer. You can see I placed the whole strip on a nail stand that I have, and yeah, let's do the primer. already a Frenchie, but it's a little bit light, so I wanna just make it a little bit more sharper looking. And okay, I'm gonna start painting here. It's gonna take me some time because I have to be very careful. Okay, this is a bigger package. Well, let's see what we have here. Okay, we're starting with some mini buffers. That's for my press-on nails application kit. See what we have here. Oh, here we have one more of those baggies to package the press-on nail kit. I have more of these sticky tabs that are for the nail stands. I just wanted to get enough, you know, so they last me for a while. And I didn't realize that I ordered so much double-sided tape to package the press-on nails, but these ones are so thin. Oh, so many. I hope they're really sticky, otherwise I'm gonna have to use 2 pieces just to apply the nails. Oh wow, I have to be careful. Oh, there's more of the other sticky tabs. And what is in here? No idea what's in here. What is this? Oh, this is a brush holder. So basically you put this on your table, and because I never have a place to put my brushes, so if I put it on the table, I can have a place to rest. So let me see. I put it here, and the brush rests like that. Because I always have a mess with my brushes. Okay, I like that. And this is garbage. And I ordered shipping envelopes because I need shipping envelopes. And these are larger than I expected. Well, I can put at least 2 sets in here. Let me see. So they're like that. I wasn't sure what color I wanted, so I just went for a neutral color for now. Maybe in the future I'll do. And these are, yeah, they have the bubbles inside, but the bubbles are not as thick as I expected to. So these are for chipping my nails. They're all wrinkly. And what else I got in this package? Oh, I got more of the cases. I knew I wanted to have more cases just in case. And files, 100, 180 grit. So that's it for this package, and everything I ordered from SHEIN. Between the first package and the second package, everything was around $100, to be honest. So hopefully the investment will give me a return when I start selling more nails. Finish filling up this case here. I don't regret getting this. Are these thicker? Oh, these are thicker than the previous package I opened. Interesting. So I guess I can leave these ones for the nails that have like a higher up design. What the? Wow, how did the mail treat this package? This is broken. It's cracked. I have to check. Yeah, it looks a little bit thicker than the previous one, but and worse quality too. Like, no way. I had to make sure that the first brand, the first company that I purchased from SHEIN, that I buy it from them again, because this one looks so much better. Yeah, these ones look all good. They look all good, but this one is cracked. Multiple are cracked. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna refill this. I have to do a return. Let me deal with this. Okay, I talked to SHEIN customer service and they refund my boxes and as well the envelopes. The envelopes were too wrinkled and squishy. They didn't look good at all. So I finished decorating all the toenails. I placed it on this box for the persons, and then I posted on Etsy. Hopefully I can sell this set. The next set I'm gonna try to make it even more cute than this. So I just wanna say thank you if you stay until the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and these nails, and I'll see you in the next one. You have a wonderful day for now.